In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies on the top-notch railroad spike welding project, offering a detailed step-by-step tutorials to ensure a seamless execution from the initial preparation of materials to the final finishing touch. We explored the most effective techniques and tools for welding railroad spike, optimizing the entire process for efficiency and precious. Join us, we break down the project into manageable selection, providing valuable insight and expert tips along the way. Either you are scenes welder looking to refine your skills or noise gear to embark on a challenge yet rewarding endeavor. Railroad for mastering the art of railroad spike welding. Elevate your welding game and achieve professional results with this comprehensive and optimized guide. We will explore the necessary tools and materials, ensuring you are well equipped for the task at hand. Our focus will be optimizing the welding process from preparation to execution, allowing you to achieve professional guard result. We will discuss the importance of safety measures and details best practice to guarantee a secure work environment throughout the proficiency. We will have you deep understanding to the top railroad spike welding process but also confidence to understand similar project with finance and skills. So let's dive into the world of precious welding and transition to vision into tangible robust reality. The project involved boxing railroad spike together with precious and style skills, ensuring secure and long lasting top railroad for selecting the right materials and tools, mastering the welding techniques, exactly every step meticulous explained to power both noise and experienced welder who explore various welding methods emphasizing efficiency and effectiveness. So streamline the project without compromising on quality. Safety protocols are understood throughout the tutorials, prioritizing with well-being the welders. Either you are the enthusiast of the professional welder looking to enhance your skills, offer a comprehensive roadmap to successfully undertake and complete the top rated spike welding work project. Welding top railroad spikes, providing you with the step-by-step tutorials with spans and fascinating world of metalworking from selecting the right equipment of mastering welding techniques. We cover it all this exploration. Join us, we explore the nuance of the tops railroad spike welding, offering valuable insight and practical tips to ensure your project success. Either you are seen welder or noise looking to expand your skills, noise over narration with various as your go-to resource, combining creativity and consciousness to make the learning experience efficient and enjoyable. Let's embark on this welding journey together and unlock the secrets to mastering tape top railroad spikes welding with confidence and precision, providing you with invaluable insight. Instruction welding railroad spike demand precious and skills, and our detailed walkthrough aims to equip you with the knowledge to execute these tasks flawless, from selecting the right materials and safety precautions, marrying the welding techniques required for optimal strength and durability. These tutorials Overs it all, either you are seen welder or a noise looking to expand your skills. Word, explore, ensure you have a expertise to successfully undertake a railroad spike welding project. Turn into the thorough breakdown of each critical stage, empowering you to tackle this welding challenge with confidence and achieve professional results. From the initial requirements needed to the meticulous preparation of the rail spikes, we cover every aspect to ensure the successful welding and over our tailed instruction not only focus on the welding techniques itself but also emphasize safety measures and best practice. Either you are scenes welder or a noise enthusiast, this tutorial caters at all skills level. Join us, we explore the art and science of top railroad spike welding, offering valuable insight and tips to help you achieve professional grand results with clear explanation and practical demonstration. This video is your go-to resource to mastering exercise of this challenging yet rewarding welding project. Graduate your skills and embark on the journey to craftsmanship with the expert guidance, providing you with the step-by-step walkthrough project which seamlessly combines skills and precious. Throughout, we explore the intricate techniques, spike preparation, and the nuanced process of achieving robust weld. Our focus extends beyond mere techniques as we develop into the safety measures, troubleshooting common issue, unleashing noise care to embark you a challenging yet rewarding venture. This voiceover promises to your indispensable companion, offering insight, tips, and wealth knowledge to ensure your top railroad spike welding to nothing short of the masterpieces. Materials into the durable, aesthetically pleasing structure, unlocking the full potential for your welding skills. Materials required for the job, offering insightful tips for their optimal usage. For selecting the right type of railroad spike, emphasizes preparation of welding techniques. We will cover it all. Aims to complexities, making this project sensible to both beginners and seasoned welder alike. Moreover, we highlight safety measures, troubleshooting common issues, and providing practical insight to enhance efficiency. You will not only have a clear understanding of the railroad spike welding process but also possess skills to execute it with precision. So let's dive into the fascinating world of railroad welding and turn your project into masterpieces of craftsmanship. Right materials, tools, measuring welding, outcome, norms preparing for the railroad spikes, essential welder dev enthusiast. It tutorials aim to provide actionable tips and expert advice to make your top railroad spike welding project true resounding ascent. So grab your safety gear, welding equipment as embark on the welding adventure together. From mastering valuable insight. Thank you so much for watching this video.